Hey guys, Joseph for Life S here, and I'll be showing this video on how to make your own game for the RBX4 console on Roblox. So let's get started. So now all you need open right now is Explorer, Properties, Toolbox, and Output. And go to Models and open Advanced Objects. So now all you have to do now is get whatever you need to make this new game that we'll be making today. You will have the RBX4 Game Console, the controller, and a blank disc, like that. Alright, so first off, what you need to start doing is you need to open up the RBX4 into the TV screen and turn on the GUI by pressing enable, and turn on the mainframe as well, make it visible. Now, how the game operates is once you insert a disc and you press play, it will put this game GUI that's inside of the empty disc. It will put it inside of the mainframe. As you can see, it's just a white screen right now. When you insert it inside of the console, the whole disc, see, like everything that's inside the disc right now, it will copy it and it will put it inside of the inserted game. And when you start the game, it takes the game GUI out of the disc and clones it and puts it inside of the mainframe. That's all it is. So inside of the GUI, you have a start script. Now this is how the game starts once you press play on the console, on the menu. So now all we have to do now is get our starting tools, and you have to insert two folders. One folder, name it functions, and one, name it sound. And next you add in a regular script and name it players button script. The players button script is the script that is used to clone the menu script, not the menu script, the game script into the player GUI so that the controllers can work. So now all we have to do now is insert a local script inside of the players button script and name it menu.p1 script. This is the player 1 script. That's what p1 is. So now you pretty much have everything you need to start the game off. Now you just insert two frames. You can insert 2 frames or 2 image labels. I do image labels, so you do name one menu and name the other one game. And now you change the size of them to 1 so you can see the whole thing like that. If you want your own background, you can do just change the image. But right now I don't have a background, so just make that blank. And then you give it your own color. You highlight game, menu, and game GUI and just give it any background color you want. I'm gonna do a bluish type color, like that. So now you have your menu and your game. First I'm gonna do the menu. In the menu, you add a text label, resize it to 1 all the way to the right and down 0.15, and that's going to be the name of your game at the top. Name it title. So now change the color of it to black. You can leave it as it was, but I changed it to black. change the title to the game we're going to be making today is Click. Like, it's already a Premiere game, but I was showing you guys how to make the functions work for it and the controller. So you're going to do Click like that. Make it bigger. Oh wait, I turned it off. Make it bigger like that. Like that. So now you have the title. You just duplicate that by hitting Control and D. Bring it down to 0.3. Change the font of it to Source Sans Light. Ooh, excuse me. So now you do press E to start game. And now you change it to label. You don't want it to be the same name as the title. And now you duplicate it and change the color, not the color, the position, change the position of it, and change the text to press Q to quit game. As so. Put it a little bit closer to the top one. Like that. So now you basically have your menu set up, a basic menu. This is for beginners. I will have an intermediate tutorials too about how to make a more advanced game, but now this is for beginners who don't know much about scripting. So now this is the basic first video of how to set up your menu, your scripts, and your two folders. So thank you guys for watching this first video on how to set up your own game GUI, your menu, your scripts, your folders, all that. So like, comment if you have problems. I will get back to you about that. And thanks for watching.